Okay, so while in the kitchen with these numbers and letters, but we are going to focus numbers. So we are going to, you already know 1 to 1,000. So we're gonna do thousands now. So can you please give mommy number 2,350. 2,350, please. 2,350. Wow, very good. Clap your hands. Next. Can you please give mommy 8,736. 8,700. What did I say? 8,736. Again. 8,000. No, that's wrong. 8,700. So 8,736. Wow, 8,736. Well done. Very good, very good. Clap mama kasi. Mommy holding the phone, so mommy can clap only one hand. Next number. Can you please give mommy number 3,870. 3,870. Wow. One number. 3,870. That's right. Good job. Next. Can you give mommy number 38,760. 38,000. Put it properly. 38,700. What did I say? Mama naman, makalimutin naman si mommy. Oy, 38,760. 38,760. Ay, wow. Very good. Very good. Wow. Good job.